What if your dream home could move with you? What if luxury didn't stay in one place, but followed you anywhere in the world? This isn't just an RV, it's a complete revolution on wheels. A $10 million rolling mansion that redefines what travel looks like in the modern era. From the very first glance, this machine demands attention. Its futuristic exterior flows like liquid metal, combining bold aerodynamics with ultra-luxury styling. The multi-axle setup isn't just for looks. It provides serious stability for something this massive. And those panoramic windows? At night, they glow like a five-star hotel, turning every stop into a grand arrival. This isn't just transportation, it's a presence. Step inside, and everything changes. You're no longer in a vehicle. You're inside a moving penthouse. Ambient lighting wraps around premium materials, while floor-to-ceiling glass fills the space with natural light. Up front, the cockpit feels like a digital command center with AI-assisted controls, voice commands, and immersive displays that make it feel like you're driving the future. Behind it, you'll find luxury lounges, private suites, spa-style bathrooms, and even workspace areas. So the real question is this an RV or a luxury hotel on wheels? Now let's talk about power. Moving something this size takes serious engineering. Under the hood, you're looking at a high-performance hybrid, or even fully electric, setup delivering massive torque. It moves smoothly, confidently, and surprisingly effortlessly. Advanced suspension systems make the ride feel almost like you're floating, while intelligent all-wheel drive adapts instantly to any terrain. It doesn't roar, it glides. When it comes to safety and innovation, this is where things get next level. We're talking about advanced driver assist systems, 360-degree cameras, collision detection, and even semi-autonomous driving capabilities. Long road trips become easier, safer, and more relaxed. Add in solar integration, smart energy management, and climate control systems, and you've got a vehicle that's not just luxurious, but future-ready. But let's be real, this isn't for everyone. With a price tag of $10 million, this rolling mansion is built for billionaires, innovators, and those who want the absolute best. It doesn't compete with traditional RVs. It competes with private jets and luxury yachts. And yet, it offers something they can't: total freedom on the road. So, is this the future of travel? A world where your home moves with you, where luxury has no limits, and where the journey becomes just as important as the destination. One thing is clear: this machine isn't just changing the game, it's creating a whole new one. Don't forget to subscribe to RPM Royals for more cinematic AI reviews of the cars shaping tomorrow, today. And tell us, what feature impressed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.